everybody, Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now I'm in Akron, Ohio at the world-renowned I Promise School, founded by the legendary LeBron James. So I just wanted to do this video because I was inspired by LeBron James's demonstration of his contribution to the community in which he came from. So not only do I aim to contribute my services to the community, which is to acquire and redevelop houses in the city limits and in the surrounding suburbs, which overall increases the value and safety of the inner city neighborhoods. I also have a mission to educate people in the city of Akron on how to acquire real estate as a home that you can live in for you and your family, but also to acquire real estate to build wealth, because it is the #1 wealth building vehicle in the world. Okay, so I want you to stay tuned. My company, we're going to be hosting a seminar here in the Akron, Ohio area. We don't have a date and time as of yet, but we're going to be having a seminar every single month for the rest of the year. We're going to cover basic things such as home ownership, right? We're going to talk about real estate finance and investing in real estate. Okay, so you don't want to miss that. The reason I feel so inspired is because obviously LeBron James, he values the importance of education. And I know that for me, I lacked a lot of education in regards to home ownership, how to apply for a mortgage, simple things such as how to fix your credit, tax advantages, business ownership, all those things which are overall going to help us as a community rise and give back to others who are less fortunate. Okay, so I just wanted to get this video to let you know what our mission is. We aim to not only help those who are distressed in homes who may need a quick solution, but we're also aim to educate those who may be needing that information. All right, so if that's something you might be interested in, definitely give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website for more information, www.investparamount.com.